Biel.
What?
Just breathe. Breathe. Ayun, there's ano, ayun.
Daddy, we
Huh?
can just
Okay. Where do you get the sled? Let's go there, let's go there.
I want to show
Wait, wait. Han! Andun! Andun! Tara! Carlo! Andun yung swim play area. Idadalhin natin doon. Hindi. Kaya mo maglakad. Lalong giginawin kung hindi maglakad eh. Ayan. Whee!
Are you going to build a snowman?
Yes.
I'll check muna natin kung paano, patag-aalisan sila. Let's wait for them, wait. Teka, ang hirap kumuha ng phone.
No, where are my shoes?
Ah.
Biel. Biel. Hi. Asa sila?
Where are they?
Mount Rocco Snow Park. Si Rochelle.
我们今天也有，干脆我们去干啥去？这2人不是才不是单位的。Where's mommy?
Si Rochelle. CR? May message eh. May message.
Ano sabi?
Oh, you get careful ha, baka mag-slip, madulas ka.
Ayaw.
How do I go down?
Be careful.
Daddy. Daddy.
Ah, Max, Max.
Daddy with ulam. Ay! Bubble.
Tara.
Right now.
Be careful, Bill, ha? Oh, you look, you hold here at the, ano, hold the stroller. Ayan, para hindi ka madulas. Be careful, ha, baka madulas. We'll play there on the snow.
Why are there so many oaks?
Let's wait for them. Bien.
Maxi, no running.
Ano, picture yun sa likod sana ng... doon na lang.
Oh, doon na lang nga. Oh, are you okay then?
1.5 yung rate ng sled. Ah, it's close?
Finish.
Ah, finish.
5 o'clock. This one.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's close. Doon lang, at least nakapasok tayo. Doon na lang maglaro.
Picture muna tayo.
Dito.
Ayun na sila. Bababa.
園内での事故、盗難、その他トラブルに対する責任は負いたれます。
Picture, picture.
Yan, ah.
在这里要跟大家说明使用滑雪场时的注意事项。没有带滑雪板、单板或雪橇等滑雪道具的人，有需要的话可以跟我们租借。
Max, Max.
不要任意使用他人的道具，租借时需要付费。在滑雪场行走时，请走在规定的步道内，步道里面是禁止滑雪的区域。滑雪时千万不可以进入步道，因为这是非常危险的。在滑雪道上停住或坐下会挡到别人，非常危险。 不得已要停下来时，请停在滑雪道内两侧的安全场所。此外，我们建议初学者先在滑雪场下方的平缓斜面练习。在滑雪场内，请充分留意四周的其他客人。
Let's go.
滑雪时要保持够安全的速度。 千万小心不要
Oo, yung likod.
Ore.
Oo, dali ko ano si Daddy.
撞到别人，请您先让自己的臀部横向坐到雪面上来停住。
Si Juan?
搭乘滑雪缆车的客人请注意，坐上缆车之后千万不可以不要放，因为这是非常危险的行为。
Kasali. Kasali ka. Kasali ka.
保管好，在公园里面容易看得见的地方出示您的票。
Sure tayo?
Si, sandali.
Snowman.
Ah. Doon, dito sa gilid, dyan lang. Ayan, ito, Bill.
Where?
Here. Eto.
On top?
This one. Oh, sige. Wala. Ang hirap mag-picture. Hindi mo pindot eh. Nako, hindi pa pala nakahawak ng buhangin to si Max sa beach. Kaya snow muna.
But I'm like a snowman.
You ano, like in the beach, you know, make a snowball first. Like this, oh.
It's so hard.
Oh, like that. See? Oh, like that, oh. Oh, di ba? Snowball, like, oh, yan, oh. See,
Wait.
wait, ah. Oh.
Ito yellow na, oh. So,
Solid, eh.
Wow.
Kaya madulas.
Snowman.
kasi nadikdik na dahil
Oo.
kakaano.
Oh, look, Obiel, oh. Oh, informing something.
Pipino siya, ha?
Kaya nga eh.
Doon, Biel, doon. Doon tayo. Come here. Huwag sa kayo sa may ice.
Snowman. Ay!
Wow.
Wow!
Ay,
Wala pa si Max.
walang pakialam. Be careful, ah. Here. Oh, this one. I need to, ano eh, wala tayong, ano, you don't have a shovel. Oh, look.
Let's try place to do this snowman.
Here. Ah. Yeah. To collect many. Oh, look, oh. Ah.
How
Yeah, you make a ball.
it's hard to.
You hold this. I'll teach you. Hold this. Like this, ah. See? Oh. You make a ball first. Ah. Sige, sabab. Patag dito, patag.
Oh, yun oh.
Ha?
Ay, anak, naku.
Ay, nagsusnow.
Nagsusnow, ha?
It's snowing, oh.
Ay, snowing.
It's snowing. It's snowing. Nagsusnow, Arno. Kaya pala mahal sa gabi. Oh.
Max, you have to wear your gloves properly.
Ito yung batahan, no? Tingnan mo. Ayan sa likod mo. Ito to. Oh, tingnan mo, ha. Yung ano, paalala lang yan, ha. Carlo, oh, paalala lang. Oh. Oh. It's snowing.
Can I go snowboarding?
It's for big kids, eh.
I'm not a big kid.
No, I mean bigger, maybe next time.
Kaya ayoko dito kasi nga, may nagaan.
Next time, pwesto, dun sa gilid.
Oo. O,
tara.
dito tayo, anak. Dito. Let's go
Here.
snowman.
Oh, here, you stay here.
I wanna build a snowman.
Snowman.
Wait, I know. Can I
Ah.
lie down on the snow?
Ay, sige, Snow Angel. Yan, sige. Here. Oh. Bill.
Mommy!
Han. Sige.
Is this open now?
Yes.
Wow! Oh, wait lang. Oh, wait lang yun. How do I get up?
Ah,
I don't want to ruin my pressure. Okay.
sige.
Ha, tinan mo lang yung anak ko. Okay. O, sige, lie down.
Oh!
Ay, Han.
O, lie down, Maxi.
Lie down. Sige.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's the snow? Where's the angel?
Where's the angel? Oh, that one.
That one.
I'm going to ruin this
Ayun,
one.
there you go.
This isn't my good.
Ay, magkaganon din daw si Carlo.
Oh, tara, dito ka.
Ako din.
Ikakat-kat ko na lang. Dito ka para harangan ko yung dadaan. Sige, higa ka. Ay, kanina yung sing-sing. Ay, oo.
Maxi, you stay here. Wala ka pang gloves.
Sing. Kiring. Ay, iring. Kiring. Kiring. Tara, sige ka. Oh, dito ang Carlo first. Dito ka para harangan ko yung dadaan.
Saan?
Dito.
Dito?
Ah. Wala ka dito, Carlo, ah.
Oh, wait lang.
Sige.
You know Carlo, stay first.
Ah. Okay na.
Agad?
Ah. Ah. Sige. Na. Ano ko, binuusan ka na.
Ako naman.
Sige.
Wow!
Come here, Biel. Ay, mahawakan mo si Max.
Wait, I'm going to ruin this angel.
Max.
Okay, kaya.
Go to Ninong Carlo.
Sige, kain na.
Okay.
Hawakan mo, baka dumulas dyan. Sige, higa. Wait. Yan. Sige. Go. Hanggang sa waist mo yung kamay. Ibaba mo dito. Okay na. Masyadong matayog ang lipad dong ano.
Wow!
Hindi ko makita.
Oh, my turn.
Sige. Dito ka. Go din.
Ay, nahumiga na naman.
Dito. Tabi.
Your feet. Ganun. Yan.
May
Go.
nabuo kayo sa akin, may nabuo.
Ha? Ay, ito mo naman.
Stand up.
Dito ka. Go down.
Both of you. It's okay. Both of you.
Go.
Oh, no.
Ay, yung gloves.
Snowy.
Oh, no,
Snowy.
don't touch the ano. It's very cold.
Snowy.
Snowing.
It's raining snow.
Yeah, it's snowing.
Grabe.
Wait lang, naku, basang-basa na tong gloves ni Max.
Sana?
Wait lang, hindi pa tapos!
Not yet.
Oh, you play saglit lang, but the snow is
Biel,
not yet.
Ha?
Okay, play. Okay.
Sandali,
Naku, tika, may nagsiskip. Teka lang.
Not yet.
Ayan.
Bija? Wow! ito
Ay,
na,
tayo no. Teka, slow mo pala to.
Ay, yun dalawa.
Dali.
Tara, Mark.
Kinuha mo yung bag?
Akin na. Ayun, sabi pa, isa yung hindi pa. Paano muna tayo? Painit mo. Swerte na.
Swerte na,
Kaya hindi na ano, may snow pa.
Kaya walang sumali sa gabi.
Oo. May chance na magka-snow. Saya.
Sabi, hindi na tayo
Ito
na
masarap, ito masarap.
tayong sing sabaw. Hindi na tayo mag-Dotonbori.
Ha?
Bukas na lang.
Oo.
Worth it naman eh. Food hall siya. Food hall.
Anak, basa na to na ng isma.
Ah, basa?
Ha?